Hi my friend, welcome to our channel. Let's start our video. Today, as you know that we are going to focus on learning. Nothing else my friend. On this channel we are going to do just learning. And first we are learning Excel, and today I have taken a task to clean or to perform. First, let's look at on it. There is a data that is given, like to show it properly. First, leave it here. Control A, Control C. Okay, copy. We are going to add a sheet for practice. So the main data should be like same. It will be safe. So first, click on the right corner, so I can adjust the length of the data cells. Then we are going to little bit format. No, so we are not going to format it. We are going to make it dynamic. Let's Control T, enter. Okay, it's converted into table. We can adjust the color or something, whatever we want. Like I am going to use it. Then what task we have to perform? Before that we are going to assign it name. I'm going to assign it a name of practice. Okay, enter. Now the list is find the maximum monthly sales across all employees. Monthly sales. Find the maximum monthly sales. First we are right click here. Okay. When we click on the mid of the two columns or two rows, it auto fit the column or rows. So I think you know a little bit of basic Excel. If you do not know, then comment me. I will make a tutorial of basic Excel from start when we learn. So first, just back to our topic, that is performing that task. First we are going to copy it, Control C. Okay, then we are going on the practice page, practice sheet, that is on which we are working, and that is sheet. Okay, and the complete thing is work. I will make a video, separate video for it. Just come on it, the task. Here the first task is find the maximum monthly sales across all employees. ये चलो सोचते हैं क्या है क्या नहीं, लॉजिक लगाते हैं. ये मंथली मैक्सिमम मंथली सेल्स निकालनी है. मैक्सिमम मंथली सेल्स, ये मंथली सेल्स है जो दे रखी है हमें, ये वाला कॉलम है, और इसमें मैक्सिमम निकालनी है अक्रॉस ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़. अक्रॉस ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़ मतलब इसमें कोई पर्टिकुलर नाम तो दिया नहीं है हमें, मतलब मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालनी है सिर्फ इसकी. तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम, चलो सीधा सा फॉर्मूला निकाल देते हैं. क्या लगाएंगे, मैक्स वैल्यूज हो, यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे, इसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट डाउन एरो से. ओके, देन कंट्रोल बैक स्पेस फॉर गोइंग बैक वेयर वी वर, देन ब्रैकेट क्लोज, और आइदर एक्सेल विल ऑटोमेटिकली क्लोज इट, एंड एंटर. Then that is the value, that is maximum. You can look at here, 24,227. We can also cross check it, like just click here and sort it from largest to smallest. Then the value we can check it here, 2027. Okay, 24,227 and 24,227. It's matching. Then we did right. Then Control plus Z, going on the previous step. And then now the next task we have to perform is determine the employee with the highest feedback score. Okay, first we are going to copy it, Control C, copy. Then going to practice tab and just going to paste it here. Okay, then what we have to do, just go here, just read it with a focused mind. Like but it is saying determine the employee with the highest feedback score. ओके, डिटरमाइन करना है एम्प्लॉय विद द हाईएस्ट फीडबैक स्कोर। तो इसमें एम्प्लॉय है ये कॉलम और इसमें फीडबैक कस्टमर फीडबैक स्कोर ये है। तो एम्प्लॉय कोई पर्टिकुलर बताया तो नहीं कि आईटी या मार्केट कुछ का है, तो हमें सेम करना है, इसमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालनी है। मैक्सिमम वैल्यू तो निकालनी है लेकिन उसका नाम निकालना है। डिटरमाइन द एम्प्लॉय, उसका नाम निकालना है ना भाई। तो क्या निकालेंगे, इफ इज इक्वल टू, लॉजिक लगा रहे हैं, ये क्या है, मैक्स है। ओके, मैक्स, देन किसमें मैक्स है, वी आर गोइंग टू गिव इट a range, control backspace for going back, then this time you will have to close the bracket, otherwise there would be an error. Okay, after which we can go on the next step, that in the function if first we have to provide the logical test, then the second thing is value if true। अगर वैल्यू सही होती है तो क्या आना चाहिए, यहाँ पर लगेगा कोमा for going on the next step। Here we will use comma, so going on next step, then what value should be there, that should be the cell which is on A1, like in the A column, and if the value is false, if not it the largest value, then what should be there, nothing, there should be nothing, just press enter। Like here it is not showing anything, okay, but when I just copy it here, Control C or go here and go here, I mean Control Z and press enter, otherwise the cell will take it as a reference। So Control V, look at here, the value is here 10 and 10, which is the maximum value, so it's showing the name employee 4, employee 6, otherwise there is any, like here is also 10, that formula is properly working। Okay, the logic is properly working। Then we are going to on third, Control C copy, here we are going to paste, use if to label employee as a top performer if their sales has a max sales। अगर किसी एम्प्लॉय की अगर सेल्स है, मैक्स वैल्यू है, तो उसको टॉप परफॉर्मर करना है। तो क्या करना है यहाँ, सिंपल सी वैल्यू अपन क्या करना है, आई मीन सॉरी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन हियर, इज इक्वल टू इफ, हमें वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सेल्स, max sales। If we are going to click on, let's then see it completely। Now I am going to select it and then I am going to back there। First we have to complete the form, we are going to use max। If the sales is maximum, Control Shift down arrow, Control backspace for going back, then we are going to use close bracket to going on the logical test, I mean value true, and what should be there, we have to create it as a top, we have to assign it as a top performer, okay, top performer। If there is any letter or something like date, so we will put it in the double apostrophe, otherwise we can just, if there is any number, we can just use simple number, no need of apostrophe, double apostrophe। For that we are going to press enter। So here just when we put here, it's not showing any value, but when I just copy it here, Control C, and first we have to press enter, otherwise it will take as a cell reference. And I am going to Control V. The cell is automatically assuming for the whole, the formula is automatically assumed for the whole cell, because we have used this as a dynamic. When we convert it in table, it's become dynamic. So you can check it, there is only one which is shown as a top performer whose sale is maximum, that we have already find 24,227. Okay. Then the third task is label. First I am going to copy it, Control C, copy. Okay, then going to paste, Control V, paste. Now check it what it is saying. Label employee with the excellent feedback. If the feedback score is equal to max score, अगर feedback score है max है, वही formula है. देखो, if we have just find it here, Control C, copy. We have already find it the highest feedback score. Okay, then we put the name, but this time just we have to change something. Control V. If the maximum score, then we have to just change it. The name, we are not going to show this time the name. We are going to represent it as an excellent. Just go here. Okay, first I have to close it. So I am going to just type it. Excellent. It's a control. It's caps lock, that is open selecting one. Okay, then I am typing it here. Feedback. Excellent feedback. Like when I press enter, there is something. Okay, I do not close it with the double apostrophe. Okay, it's not showing anything here, but when I just copy, Control C, copy, first press enter, so it doesn't make any problem. Like here you can see that those whose feedback is max, like the feedback is max value is 10. Here with the employee name, it's also showing like excellent feedback. Okay, where we have gone, I scrolled it a lot. You can check it here. It's properly worked. Now the last task is use if and last to find out max top 5 sales performer. Control C. First I am going to just copy here and paste here. My friend, due to power cut I left it in mid, but I am going to complete it. Like the Excel file was not saved, so it may be formatted, reset it. So just leave it aside. We are going to work on the last task that was left, but before that I am going to select it and going to Control D and okay, fine, I will use this time. Okay, then let's make it clearly visible. Okay, Control C, copy. That was the fifth one task that left. Here I am going to just click OK. Use if and last to find the max, the mark top 5 sales performer. if for लास्ट फंक्शन का यूज करके तो फाइंड करना है, लास्ट टू फाइंड एंड मार्क टॉप 5 सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस. मतलब टॉप 5 सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस निकालना में इफ और लास्ट का क्या लॉजिक बनेगा यार इसमें, ज़रा लगाते हैं कुछ लॉजिक। इफ आई मीन इज इक्वल टू इफ सबसे पहले हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, टॉप 5 परफॉर्मेंस। ओके इस वे में निकालेंगे। सबसे पहले यार ये तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थिंग हो गई यार, फिर भी मैंने एक काम किया है। क्या किया है जस्ट आपको दिखाता हूँ। जैसे मैंने ये फाइल की ना डाउनलोड, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज बैकस्पेस। तो मैं आपको I will give you a prompt through which I have downloaded that file with the help of ChatGPT here. That is the answer each formula. You can easily understood with the help of it. So whenever you use the prompt which I will give you, it will make a file with the data sheet and then task and solution. Okay, so first I am going to here and just put it here, like what was the formula we found here. Let's check it more deeply. I think I did not press enter. Okay, there is no value, so it's not auto fitting. Like first thing is that if C2, okay, I understood little bit. Like what it had done, that if C2 but we can take also cell reference like here it is C2 that is automatically selected. Okay, if it is greater than और इक्वल टू इसके लार्ज हो। लार्ज क्या फाइंड आउट करता है, लार्ज वैल्यू। फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट एन एरे टॉप सेल्स, so that is the sales array. Control shift down arrow, control backspace to go back there, and first we have to close the bracket. Before that there is something, that is second thing is key, from where we have to start. I mean till which value it should take or above which value it should take. Like I am going to give a 5, like top 5 value it I have to take. Then there is value true, अगर वैल्यू ट्रू है, अगर टॉप 5 है तो क्या शो करना है, पहले टॉप 5 सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस, तो या तो उसका नाम शो, इफ वी आइदर वी कैन शो देयर नेम और समथिंग लाइक दैट, लाइक रो ओके, अदरवाइज enter. Either it can show that the row number, or we can just show their name. As it is AI, so it may be a little bit complicated to be there. Like I am going to use this name and control enter. So it's going to automatically apply on the wholesale. Anywhere you collect, it will apply on the wholesale. and it will show employee name. I have used employee like dummy data and it is given by the ChatGPT. But in the real data, there will be name, so that will be reflected it. And the question is use if and last to find the and mark to 5 sales performance. Find or mark, we have to find out it and then we have to mark it. Top 5 sales performance. Then my friend, top 5 sales performer are, let's check it out. First we are going to sort largest to smallest. Then check it here. These are the top 5 performance, sales performance. You can see these are the top 5 sales value and these are their name. It is automatically happened and this is in right format. Okay, what you understand from it? Here we have understand a new formula, that is large. I am also a little bit unaware about it, but we are here to learn. No one is here that is already know everything, but we will learn it together, for which we are here. First thing is that we have to find out that for the large function we have to use equal, greater than or equal to. It has just find out the large with the help of large function. It has find out the top 5 sales value with the help of large function. It has found the top 5 sales values. You write it here in that formula, and it has found out the top 5 sales value. And if the C2 is either equal to or greater than the any of top 5 values, it's sure that when the topmost value will be equal to, not it's always going to greater than. You understand? Are you understand? Are you being understand about it? What I want to say, like the topmost value, which is the 24,227, that we have already find out a few more times. We have already find many times. So that value cannot be less than the top 5 value. So it has used the equal to function, because if it use greater than function, then it can be difficult for the topmost one, and it did not use less than value. I just want to make you understand why this formula is used. If you still not able to understand, just tell me in comment. I will make sure that you understand that formula, and next time when we will find out that large formula, we just going to solve it properly. My friend, just thumbs up for me. I really did good work. That's all for today. Let's end here.